We're living in one of the most divided times in modern history. Families are at odds over politics. Communities are torn by culture wars. Even churches can't always agree. But what if the loudest message we carried wasn't our opinion, but our humility? Romans 12:16 says, "Live in harmony with one another. Do not be proud, but be willing to associate with people of low position. Do not be conceited." God isn't just calling us to coexist. He's calling us to connect with compassion. Not long ago, I read about two high school students in a mentorship program. One came from a wealthy private school, the other from a struggling public school. At first, they didn't relate to each other at all. Their worlds were too different. But as time went on, they started sharing meals, stories, and dreams. Over time, a real friendship formed. It wasn't built on being the same, it was built on mutual respect. That's what biblical harmony looks like. Harmony doesn't mean we have to agree on everything. It means we choose humility over pride. We listen more than we speak. We recognize the image of God in people who don't look, live, or think like we do. Pride isolates. Humility builds bridges. And Jesus calls us to be bridge builders. Ask yourself, where in your life do you need to trade pride for peace? Maybe it's at home, at work, or even in how you scroll through your feed. What would change if you approached conflict with a spirit of gentleness instead of judgment? Say this with me. Lord, help me to live in harmony. Help me walk in humility. Help me see others through your eyes. Drop a comment below and say, "Let me be a bridge." If you're ready to be a light in a divided world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Daily Bloom for more devotionals that bring truth, love, and scripture into everyday life.